Hi, this is a Minute of Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now this week I want to ask, which is better, in-app purchases or paid applications? Okay, so the biggest concern you should have when creating a new app, and the biggest concern I have when creating a new app, is how you're going to make money from it. Now, as far as I know, through my experience, there's only 4 ways of doing that. You could, 1, have a free version of the app with ads. 2, have a free version with in-app purchases. 3, have a full version of the app that people just outright buy. Or 4, you do something else like subscriptions to a website or branding, like Pepsi, for example. Pepsi doesn't make apps to make money. They make apps to get people to buy Pepsi. So those are the big concerns. Now I concern myself with the first 3. The wisdom at the moment with app experts, they will tell you, don't worry about doing that full version of the app. They say nobody buys apps anymore. You're just wasting your time. What you should do is have a free version of the app and then use upsell in-app purchases in the app and get them to upgrade. However, just want to show you my statistics for my apps here. Now these are for February, going back just a couple days ago. Here's the statistics for Google Play. Now here you can see that 68% of people would prefer just to buy the app outright. So they try the app, they like it. Rather than mess around with in-app purchases, they go find the full version. They just download the whole thing. It's easier for them. It's easier for me. It's easier for everybody. However, some people just prefer to buy bits and pieces. So like 31% will purchase in-app purchases in the app. So it's contrary to what a lot of people will tell you, at least in my case. For me, full sales work, but you need to have that free version out there. Otherwise, nobody's going to buy anything that they can't try. For iTunes, it's completely different. iTunes, I only make 2% of sales through in-app purchases. 2% are through bundles of apps, and 95% are just people going in and trying the full version, or buying the full version. So it's different than what you might see. Now the point I'm trying to make is not that one is better than the other. It's in some ways, in-app purchases are much better than full versions of the app. So if you have like a game, you can't expect people to play a game up to a certain level, then go download a completely different app and then play the rest of it. So and other things that require customization, for example, you don't want to have them go through the whole experience again. They should just be able to go through and purchase it. But the point I am trying to make is to be careful of what app experts tell you. Now, there are no hard and fast rules on app development. All apps are different. All the audiences are different. If I took other people's advice on what I should do with my apps, I would probably lose about half my revenue because I wouldn't get those full sales of the apps. So there are no app experts. Even what I say, take with a pinch of salt. That's it for my Minute of Overpass this week. Sorry, it's always over a minute. I should probably change the name. If you would like to have an app made, give Overpass a call. We'd love to talk to you. Our number is 0845-834-1008, and I'll talk to you next week.